We all find ways to relax, de-stress, connect to nature, and break the routine. In this process, we have reached Lalita Mahal Palace in the Mysore. It's so beautiful, greenery all around, with royal feel in the palace. We are going to stay here for 2 days with family. It's going to be a real good time, and I'm excited to take you all along with me in this journey of de-stress. Hope you will like it. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, share to your friends, family, and don't forget to like and click the bell icon below. So let's start the video. This is the entrance of Lalita Mahal Palace. You can see how royal and beautiful it is. So this is located in Mysore. Most of you might be knowing it. Here they provide rooms also, so you can stay in this palace and enjoy your time with your family, a quiet time away from daily routine. So let's enter into the palace now. Are you guys excited? So this is the entrance of the palace. You can see how beautiful it is, how royal it is. So as you enter the palace, the first thing you find is a beautiful big elephant, and here you have a reception also where you can get the details of your rooms and everything. So this is the entrance of Lalita Mahal Palace as you enter. So let's go inside. As you enter inside, this leads to the main hall, the center hall of the palace, from where you can go towards right, left and all. So towards your left, this side, what you can find in this place of the palace is it's a spacious corridor with nice architecture, very well designed. So as you go straight like this towards the end, you find a very spacious, lavish bar. Yes, it's very spacious and lavish. So this area is dedicated for the bar section of the palace, where in-house guests can use it, I guess. So this is the left side of the corridor of the entrance when you come inside the palace. Then let's go straight and see what's there. So if you walk through straight, again you reach the center point from where you have entered. So like this it goes straight, and if you see here, this is the main place, and here you have a sitting area where you can sit and chill. This is the function hall here. They may be giving for functions and all. Then you have this beautiful staircase, and so this is from here. If you move towards the right side of this corridor in the palace, so when you go this way, the left side is the restaurant. I'll show you that in some other video in detail. It's so beautiful. And the right side, this part, is washrooms for the guests. Then if you go straight, the right side again there is dine out area, and the left, whatever you're seeing here, it leads to the rooms where we are going to stay. So this path leads to rooms to the right, left side, and right side there is a way for lawn and swimming pool area. Straight what you are seeing is a shop to shop some clothes there. So let's go towards the room section of the palace. So this part leads to rooms. and no palace is complete without beautiful paintings, as you can see here. So it's so beautiful, so relaxing. We really enjoyed our stay. So this is the lawn and swimming pool area. I'll show that part also in my coming video. So this is just one part. I can't cover everything in one single video, so it will be coming in parts. So we are heading towards the room to take some rest. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the next part 2 of Lalit Mahal Palace. Until then, take care. It's time to take rest. Bye bye. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.